This should be a short message to some guys who are enabled to understand this concept of physics. You must abandon all beliefs, all concepts like space-time, like quantum principles. Really, with them you are blocked, limited. The basic thing that really counts is action. One single action. And it will successfully build all known relations with, I will not say with easy, but I was able to compute this. Surely you are able to. The concept is that counts how fast things can go on. Time is varying. When there is locally, in topological vicinity, more stuff, it takes longer. Clocks are slower. Of course, it's quite difficult to observe this directly in our space. But if you look carefully, it's still possible. This scale can go on very far from where we are. So it's a quite popular road, so people are coming both ways. So when you start with the space, where space is made of something which has some property which says that if it's twice more, it takes twice longer. 3 times more, probably 6 times longer. They must negotiate result. I did this in many assumptions. It works quite fine, but this one is, I think, quite interesting. So you can compute what it gives. Glowing, and staying longer. And then result on a local scale, dancing, more and more would produce kind of collapse, but with determined structure. If it's chaotic, it will fall apart, but when it's able to achieve some kind of equilibrium, rotating and vibrating concentrically. Stój! Sorry. Dog found some other dog, so it was friendly interaction. And these objects, make symmetries. This initial is one rotational axis and concentrical vibrations. Behavior of things inside these membranes. This is interesting thing. I will say only, do these calculations, simulate this any way you are able. I just directly followed this algorithm on massive scale. I was able to do. And in this first collapse, in less dense membrane, this collapsing continues. If you find, it will be exhaustive computationally, but if you find the second generation of collapses in only one less dense membrane. Sorry, I should break because voices are, they make noise, people. Okay, I can continue. So this second collapse is more interesting. There are interactions between two rotations produce richer behavior of particles. Again, in less dense membrane of the second generation of collapse. You understand this principle? If you assume that there is a third generation of collapse in only less dense membrane of second generation collapse, what you receive? QCD. After two collapses, you have QED. Field of actions and particles with charges. This is the answer. This is the structure of our reality. Of course, I've made much more, but this is, I think, most important thing.